In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Microsoft Loop. This is a quick and easy process, perfect for those looking to organize information effectively. If you're ready, let's dive in. To get started, open up your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in Microsoft Loop. This will lead you to the home page of Microsoft Loop, a dynamic canvas that helps you unlock collaboration across Microsoft 365. Once there, you will need to sign in. If you aren't already logged into your Microsoft account, click on the Sign In button, usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Enter your credentials and you'll be set to go. This step ensures that any changes you make within Microsoft Loop are saved to your account and can be accessed from any device. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the main, clean slate where all the magic happens. To add new components, look for the plus sign. This is your go-to button for enhancing your Loop page with different content and tools. You'll typically find this plus button at the top of the page or maybe even on the left panel, depending on how your interface is set up. By clicking this plus button, you're opening a menu with various options of what you can add to your Loop page. From text blocks to images, Loop allows for a diverse range of possibilities. For our purpose today, you're going to want to select the Table option. You might need to scroll a little or investigate the list of features, but Table should be there waiting for you, eager to help put your data into neat, organized rows and columns. Selecting the Table option will instantly insert a new table into your Loop canvas. Voila! You've now successfully added a table, ready for all your data needs. You can adjust the number of rows and columns by dragging the edges of the table to match the layout you desire. Each cell is ready to be filled with the content of your choice, whether it's text, numbers, or more. Microsoft Loop tables are intuitive and easy to expand as your content dictates. And that's it! In just a few quick clicks, you've enhanced your workspace with a structured table, preparing you for better information management and collaboration with your team or on personal projects. Remember, Microsoft Loop is designed to be versatile and to integrate seamlessly with other Microsoft 365 apps, enabling you to maximize productivity. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope this walkthrough on creating a table in Microsoft Loop was helpful. Feel free to explore further and utilize this feature to its fullest. Happy organizing, and see you in the next video.